Welcome back to eCreativeAid. So what happens to your body when you eat 3 dates a day? There are so many benefits to eating dates every day. So the first one is it's a cure for stress. Dates contain a lot of vitamin B6, which is responsible for the body's production of serotonin and norepinephrine. These hormones regulate stress and improve mood, and the continued decline of vitamin B6 in the body may lead to depression. The second benefit is bone strengthening. Boron in dates helps strengthen bones, and also phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. And minerals present in these dried fruits also contribute to bone health and prevent diseases such as osteoporosis. The third benefit is it helps in losing weight. Although dates contain a lot of sugars and calories, it helps in losing weight, as long as you do not eat a lot of it. Dates are high in fiber, which is important for the proper functioning of the digestive system, and eating dates prevents constipation. The fifth benefit is it relieves allergy symptoms. Dates help relieve allergy symptoms such as sneezing. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.